There's something on his car. Oh, now you stop. All right. What I just saw was it was a DBRAND merchandising for Grip, and this is a review for Grip. So what I have here is a package from DBRAND. Basically, this is not paid advertisement or anything like that. Obviously, I don't have enough subscriber to be paid by DBRAND, but I figure this is actually a very good chance where people will finally get to see what exactly DBRAND actually makes this for. For people who doesn't know DBRAND, well, DBRAND is a company, a Toronto-based company in Canada, where they specialize on all kinds of different skins, where you can go on to dbrand.com and you'll be able to see all the different skins. Always a huge fan about DBRAND is because, well, as you can see, there is a MacBook. Let me bring up a little bit. Well, especially for the people who doesn't like the bulkiness of all this plastic or anything like that, put it on top of the MacBook. I think that this is especially really helpful for you from scratching or anything like that. As you can see, the material itself is actually very, very sturdy, where it's almost scratch resistance with daily uses. And I put another one in the back as well. And I think this yellow looks very sick to me, and it actually is eye-popping in the same time. So I don't have to do anything at all for protection. For your technology use, should I say technology use again? That being said, I ordered, let me see here. So what you see over here is a DBRAND Grip iPhone 10. This is iPhone 10 cases. Basically, DBRAND makes the cases, and there's no way that you can buy it now because apparently you have to back it up in Indiegogo for the campaign, and you have to basically just pay at the time. And so far, I just double checked. Their campaign is over a long time ago, obviously. It was like 3 months ago, and now to the final stage where they ship out the product. So basically, this is nowhere to be found anymore. This is one and only one that ships out. And being a Toronto people, there is always advantage in terms of DBRAND, obviously, because they're based in Toronto anyway. So we got the newest first shipment as possible because we are actually the most near to their headquarters. So we got this in the mail, and we got shipment so far. A lot of people are waiting for shipment from different countries. Obviously, I got it for first batch. I'm pretty sure this is the first batch. Anyways, let's open the package and take a look at inside. I think I broke the package. Well, is it meant to be open like this, or am I being dumb? Well, that's another pieces now, I guess. Anyways, the moment when you open the package, yes, that's a smile you should get on your face, actually. So basically, during the campaign, they ask you if you want to opt in for different skins for your iPhones or Samsung or any other phones. Apparently, this is actually a new skin that came out. It's called Dragon. This is red in dragon skin kind of thing. This is skin black, and I think the texture itself is actually very good. I kind of like it. And they also includes the matte black thing inside of that package, actually. And there's a pamphlet for. So this is DBRAND. Follow them on the DBRAND Twitter, Instagram, or this is their website. I guess I don't know. r/DBRAND kind of things. All right, let's set this aside and take a look at the real thing right now. All right. So in front of me, there's a real thing over here, obviously bubble wrapped. Well, it's easy to actually. Whew. This is what I'm talking about. Let's take a look aside and see if they have any other surprises for us. You know how DBRAND is. Okay, so the side is kind of curved like this. Well, I'd say the package itself is actually pretty good and feels premium. Yellow thing on their black thing is just yes. Anyways, all right, let's open this. Moment of truth. Whew. So that's in the case. Let me see here. Don't. Okay. Follow instruction. Don't F up, basically, with a mosaic on it. I think it's very special that's saying that. Just in case if you don't see it, don't fuck this up. Follow the link, dbrand.com/how. Okay, so I guess I have to follow the link and don't try to not to fuck it up, I guess. All right, anyways, and in the front is pretty interesting as well. Grip is just the beginning, and I think from the ape stage all the way to the human and got destroyed by their robot as usual. I guess that's normal. It's completely normal with DBRAND. It's just interesting every single time we open the package. Anyways, follow the instruction, don't fuck it up. What does it mean? I shouldn't be touching anything before I read the instruction. Where's the instruction? I have to go online. So dbrand.com/how. Okay, I guess, but I still want to take a look at that. There's reinforced all four corners over here as it is a high risk where people when drop on the ground, all these four corners usually bumps to the ground first. And then on the side there is obviously there's volume up, down key, mute buttons over here, the grippy thing on the side, so it will grip on, I guess. And then the other side is obviously DBRAND.com/how. Instructions, how to apply iPhone 10.
But while existing DBRAND skins are technically compatible with the grip, we highly recommend that you use the provided skin for optimal compatibility. You'll require a hairdryer for this installation, so pause the video now and go grab one.
So remove this, put it in the front a little bit. They have a larger cut out, obviously. You want to leave the camera layout out so you can align it easy.
Straight along the glass edge. Once lined up perfectly, apply pressure to the exposed portion. Remove the 3M paper entirely and smooth it out.
After I put all the stuff together, let me show you what it looks like first. See this? This is what it looks like with the dragon skin. And basically it's actually pretty nice. On the top we'll see the DBRAND over here, and they're four corner reinforced just in case if you bump into something, especially on the ground kind of things, it will absorb a shock right away. On the side over here, as you can see, there's a power button right here, and then there's tons of grips over here as well. While you're holding your hand, you just feel sturdy. There's no way around it. It's sturdy. Mute button is actually easier to access because it actually sticks out this time around. And the new dragon skin, I absolutely love it. DBRAND, you did a good job. Let me tell you something about the button as well. You know how it feels sometimes when you got some other protective cases, especially when you press a button, you have to press really harsh in order to actually clicks. This one doesn't. Coming up next with their biggest thing where put onto a surface and see if it actually slips away kind of things. Okay, as you can see, I have the glass in back already. I'm gonna use this piece of glass to show you what's it gonna be with the glass, with the slope, and then I'm gonna increase it gradually and see if it actually slides. That's the smallest glass that I can find in my house, so I'll use that as an example. I think it's actually fair. I'm gonna put it in the middle, just like that. I'm not touching anything or putting force onto it to squeeze out the bubbles or anything like that. It's just simply sit on top. Let's do this. Here it comes. So it's about 10 degrees right here, 20, 30, 45, I would say. This is 45 already, holy smoke. Okay, let's proceed. 50, 60, I would say it's about 70 right now. I'll tilt it 70. Yes, 70, 75 or around. As you can see, it's start to slide a little bit. It's fighting that gravity over there, and yeah, it slides down. So it's about this. It's about this. So it's about, I would say, it's about fair 70 degree rough around on the glass. The closest thing that I can find as a piece of wood in my house right now. Should we give it a wipe? I think maybe wipe a little on the side, so make it fair, I guess. 10 degree, 20, 30. This is more like 45 degree. Something more interesting, I guess. This is a piece of paper cardboard. Let's test this out. So it's about close to 45 now. It's a little bit sliding. Okay. So it's 45 right now, almost 45. What about DBRAND? I hope you see this coming because this is your package. So I hope you understand this. No offense, but if it fails, I mean, what else can you success? 0 degree. It's about 30, it's sliding already. 35, 45. See, it's sliding slowly. Sliding slowly, really slow. Okay, so you see the slope of this. Okay, anyways, obviously, they didn't see this coming. Anyways, it's not fair for them to actually do this. Package is a package. I'm just joking. DBRAND, I still love you guys. Yeah, so basically, overall, I'm pretty happy with this bumper. Your brand is gonna be a success in big time because this is just gonna help a lot of people in terms of shattering screen and everything. But I just feel like you're not helping people enough by putting this onto your shop so everyone can buy it once in a while if they want to. It's just campaign, and campaign is over, and whoever has this, they get protected. Whoever don't have this, I mean, good luck on that. You can still use your order box, but it's not as grippy as this one, obviously, but that's what it is. Alright, so that's it for the video. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you don't like the video, you know what to do. Consider subscribe. If you have questions, leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.